Let's make some Jamaican cornmeal slash polenta. Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony, and I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates, but it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. When I was a child, there was a shortage of rice, and parents had to be very creative to find a substitute. And the substitute they found was cornmeal. Now it can be done in a variety of ways, and there's a special way that I like it. But today I'll be sharing with you the way my mother loved it. And if you'd like to see me do that, then continue watching. Now today we'll be making some turned cornmeal, and in my bowl I have 3 cups of cornmeal, fine cornmeal, and I'll be using a bit of butter, and over there we'll be using some bell pepper and some hot pepper too. And in my pan here I'm going to make a quick stock because I don't have, you can use the ready-made stock, but I'm going to make my one from scratch. And over here I have some coconut milk powder. Now if you have the tin milk or the fresh coconut, you may use that too. I will be serving fish with the cornmeal, but if you'd like to see a complete video with the fish, then check out my channel. I have a few videos there. Now our stock is finished and I'm going to strain it. Now we're going to season our stock as we would rice and peas. So I'm going to add just a teaspoon of sugar, then a little green seasoning, and then we're going to have some garlic, fresh garlic. Now we're going to take it over to the stove to allow it to boil. Now I didn't use any salt while I was making the stock, so I'm going to add more cube. Now I'm going to add my peppers. Remember the bell peppers plus the scotch bonnet that I cut very small, because it's nice to have bite-sized pieces of pepper in the cornmeal. Now I have a tablespoon of butter with 2 tablespoons of the coconut milk powder, and I'm just mixing both of them together so that it melts when it gets into the water or into the stock easily. No, you don't have to use stock, you could use straight coconut milk. Now the butter and the coconut milk has melted. I'm going to turn the stove off and get ready to put my cornmeal in. Now if you allow it to boil, it will get lumpy and we don't want that. So we're going to add it a little at a time and then stir so that we don't have it getting lumpy. At this point, I use 2.5 cups. You need a wooden spoon. And then we're making sure there's no lump. Then we're going to turn our stove on to allow it to steam, but very low. Very low. At this point, you're going to need some hot water to help it to cook, but right now we don't need it yet. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam because the grains are not yet cooked. So I'm going to cover, leave it to steam for about 5 minutes, and then you can check. Turn again and add some more water. Now after 5 minutes, we check again and we turn it again. That's why it's called turned cornmeal. You have to turn it all the time to allow the grains to cook. And to help it, we're going to add just a small amount of water. If you want it tighter than this, you can add more cornmeal, but I don't want that. I want it to be soft like this. So I'm going to add a little water just around it, not on it, around it, just to allow it to steam. We're going to cover again for at least 5 more minutes and we'll come back and test it. Our second 5 minutes is up. So let's do it. Turn again. Turn again. The water is dried off. And the greens seems like they're cooked, but we're going to test it. You taste the greens. You taste to see whether or not it is done. Now 15 minutes after steaming, and I'm going to taste now to see if it's cooked. Yes, perfectly done. So I can turn it off. Now here we have it. Delectable. Well seasoned, and it had the right amount of spice. Not too soft, yet not too hard. It was the right texture. Now if you like it harder, add a little more cornmeal. But I tell you, this was delicious. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.